Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I gotta tell you about this beautiful foaming soap dispenser from GIRLUFO. Now, if you're looking for a soap dispenser that's going to bring some beauty, elegance, and functionality to your bathroom or kitchen, then this is the soap dispenser for you. What I personally loved about it is that it can turn any kind of soap into foam. To be honest, at first I thought it was a little complicated, but after I've had it for a while and I've used it several times, I've realized that everything fits together very nicely, and with the easy-to-read instruction, it wasn't difficult at all to use. I also liked that I've had this for about a month. I've used it continuously, whether it's in my kitchen sink or in my bathroom, and I haven't had to refill it yet. So not only is it beautiful to look at, and it will add a little charm to whatever room you put it in, but I'm also saving money. I like that the material is very durable. I currently have this soap dispenser in my children's bathroom, and because I know it's made of a quality material, I'm not worried about it getting broken. So if you are looking for the perfect soap dispenser, then I suggest you check out this soap dispenser from GIRLUFO. And that's my point of view.